forward and we go ahead, I just want to say a couple of things. Okay, so he asked me who broke my heart. So I'm talking about the story behind Jo Tum Mere Ho. ये गाड़ियों की ऐसी दौड़ सा तेरा भी दिल दौड़ता है ना दस्तके ये तेरे दिल की आवही धड़कने हैं मेरे हुस्न के अलावा कभी दिल में मांग लो ना बारिशें बारिशें देखो देखो कैसी बातें यहाँ की है साथ पर है साथ ना भी क्या इतनी आसान है देखो देखो जैसे मेरे इरादे वैसे कहाँ तेरे यहाँ थे हाँ कितनी नादान मैं मेरे हुस्न के अलावा कभी दिल भी मांग लो ना है पल में मैं पिघल जाऊँ
My man's walking. He's walking. He's gonna be here. Give it up for Arun Jain! Alright, one more loud cheer.
Check. Man, that's crazy, that's crazy. I'm so happy that you guys are here right now. Thank you so much for coming.
Alright, you guys are all prepared.
And you know, before like we obviously move forward and we go ahead, I just want to say a couple of things. So like I said, this is the first time ever that we are doing something like this. I've never done this before. I was actually on a call with somebody who listens to my music like a couple of months ago, and they said that I should have more interactions, you know, with my audience. And I just wanted to do that, man. I listened to you guys. You know, you heard Jo Tum Mere Ho, right? It's only because you guys asked me to do that, and I'm so happy that I did it. So yeah, I do listen to you, and this is the reason why we're here right now. So once again, can we have a big cheer for each and every one of you? Who's here right now? Okay, so he asked me who broke my heart. So first of all, this is a question from someone from Bangalore. Big shout out to the people in Bangalore. I absolutely love that city, and it's one of my favorite places to perform. A lot of people did, and I broke some people's hearts as well. So I guess. Yeah, I think we're like. So I guess it goes both ways. But yeah, I mean, I've lived a very exciting, very not a very long life, but a very full life. So obviously, you know, I've had people in my life as well, and I've shared these moments with them. But I don't regret anything. Okay, so I'm just gonna break this into like a couple of things. So he asked me, you know, what I feel about Jo Tum Mere Ho and how I felt when I released the song. I was very happy when I released it because you know this is a song that I've been singing since the last couple of years. I'm not sure if you guys have. Is there anybody here who has heard me sing it live at shows? Oh yeah, sure, everyone. A few of them. Yeah, that's amazing. So yeah, I used to sing this song like a couple of times. I've sung it. But I never thought that I'll release it. I always used to say that, yeah, this is just like a word bank song. I'll never like release it and all. But someone told me that they absolutely love the song. So I thought that, you know, why not? And I started writing the song and it just came out so beautifully. So I'm just so happy, like I said earlier, that I heard all of you guys and I heard, you know, what you had to say and took your feedback. And I released the song, so I was very happy. And talking about the story behind Jo Tum Mere Ho. You know, I don't know if you guys know this or not, I haven't really done a lyrical breakdown or like a music video breakdown till now. Because I just wanted you guys to like figure it out yourselves, but nobody did. So I'm just gonna like tell you guys a bit about the song and you know what I feel about it and how it came to be and what the story is behind it. So you know, Jo Tum Mere Ho is, for me, is a song about taking that next step. You know, you could be friends and you start dating. you could be dating, and you know, you take the next step, you start living together, or you take the next step, you know, you get married. So that was like always that for me, just taking the next step. So you know, that's how the song is built. That if you're mine, I would never ask for anything else. And will you come and join me in this future that, you know, I see us together in? To aaoge ke aaoge. And then, you know, fight. And the person says that if you come, then I will die of so much love I'll have for you. Like I'll literally die. Like it'll kill me. And if you don't, I'll still keep on loving you. Okay. And then the person asks this guy that, you know, why me? Like why would you not want anything else if you have me? And then the person says that नजरों से मेरी यहाँ देखो ना खुद को जरा, because ना जाने क्यों तो खुद को यूँ ना जाने तू, right? And then he tells her that, you know, these are the most beautiful things that you have, but it's not all superficial. Like he talks about you know, her smile, he talks about her hair and her eyes and everything. But this is for all the people who are watching me live right now, watching all of us live right now as well. I really hope that, like, I wish that you could have been here with us, but I hope that you're still gonna have a great time. And to all the people who are already here, like I've already said like multiple times, I'm just so grateful that all of you are here. Thank you so much, and I can't wait to sing all of these songs for you guys right now. Are you guys excited? Okay then, let's do this. So I'm gonna start with the song that we're here for. This one is a song that's #1 in one country right now, and it's in the top 20 in India. And I was just told that today I think we've crossed 10 million streams on it in a month on Spotify. I think 6 million on YouTube if I'm not wrong, which is insane. This is a song that I wrote because you guys asked me to. This one is called Jo Tum Mere Ho. So yeah, please sing with me. हैरान हूँ कि कुछ भी ना मांगू कभी मैं, जो तुम मेरे हो। ऐसा हो क्यों कि लगता है हासिल सभी है, जो तुम मेरे हो। मेरे हो तो मैं कुछ नहीं मांगू दुनिया से, और तुम कोई नहीं तो मैं जीना नहीं चाहूँ दुनिया में। और नजरों में मेरे एक जहाँ है जहाँ तू और मैं अब साथ है, और वहाँ कोई नहीं, तू और मैं ही है। और आओगे ऐसे आओगे, तेरी मेरी क्या राहें उजड़ी है, और राहों में ही जो तुम आए कभी, हम तो प्यार से मर जाएंगे। और आओगे ऐसे आओगे, तेरी मेरी क्या राहें उजड़ी हैं, और राहों में ही जो तुम आए नहीं, हम तो फिर भी तुम्हें ही चाहेंगे, जो तुम मेरे हो। तो मैं कुछ नहीं मांगू दुनिया से। It's a song called Alag Asman. नहीं नहीं ये बातें नहीं, फिर इस मोड़ पर हम मिले हैं, न जाने अब मिलेंगे हम कभी, तो रुक जाओ एक पल यहाँ पे। ये नर्म चादरों की सिलवटें तुझे अभी बुला रही हैं, न जाओ दूर इनसे, कहे ये सुकून कहाँ पे है हासिल दिल को मेरे, ये है पता कि मीलों का ये फासला है, अलग आसमां भी है तो क्या ये दिल न माने। ये गाड़ियों की ऐसी दौड़ सा तेरा भी दिल दौड़ता है, हाँ जा रहे हो दूर तुम तो क्या मैं ही तो दिल का मुसाफिर, तो एक बार फिर तू हंस के जरा देख ले मेरी इन आँखों में मैं कैद कर लूँ हर वो पल तेरा, तेरी ये बातें जो हैं तो और क्या है ये बातें बता, क्यों अब दिन पिघलता नहीं ये ना हो तो। किताबों की घर दुनिया है तेरी, ओके परफेक्ट टाइमिंग, आई लव दैट। कैन यू शो इट टू एवरीबॉडी? You know, it's of course, man, of course. Thank you so much for letting me fulfill my dreams as well. But yeah, you can keep it down now because I don't think people will be able to see. I'm so sorry, but I care about you guys. But that was lovely. I absolutely love that. Thank you so much for like me putting the effort and like bringing it here. Yeah, the next one has that line, which is "Kitabon ki ghar duniya hai teri." This one is a song called "Gul," and I want you guys to like sing this one line with me. Is everybody on board? Okay. The lines are, and you have to sing this like really loudly. Okay. We have to show anti-social and social people like what we are made of. Okay. The lines are. आए ना तेरी याद हमको, आए ना तेरी याद उनको. I think you can do better. Yeah? It's simple lines, very easy. आए ना तेरी याद उनको. So yeah, let's do this once again. आए ना तेरी याद उनको, आए ना तेरी याद उनको. Okay, perfect. So whenever this line comes in the song, sing everything else with me also, but please be as loud as possible whenever this one comes, okay? ना दस्तके ये तेरे दिल की आवाज़ी धड़कने हैं, यूं जोर से जो तुझको अब सुन रही है, सुन ले जरा ये तुझसे क्या कह रही है. आए नहीं जिनके थे वादे वक्त उलझा हुआ है, तेरे यहाँ पे क्या वो कल थे यहाँ, या हफ्तों पहले की है रास्ता. आए ना तेरी याद उनको, आए ना तेरी याद उनको. That's my cute. This one is a song which is my biggest song. This one is called Husn. Let's do this. देखो देखो कैसी बातें यहाँ की, है साथ पर है साथ ना भी, क्या इतनी आसान है. देखो देखो जैसे मेरे इरादे वैसे कहाँ तेरे यहाँ थे, हाँ कितने नाराज मैं, मेरे हुस्न के अलावा कभी दिल में मांग लो ना, हर पल में मैं पिघल जाऊँ हाँ। अब ऐसा ना करो कि दिल जुड़ ना पाए वापस, तेरी बातों से बिखर जाऊँ हाँ। माना ज़माना है दीवाना, इसीलिए तुम्हें ना जाना, तेरे लिए मैं काफी हूँ। देखो देखो ये ज़माने से थक कर आते हो क्यों मासूम बनकर, तेरे लिए मैं क्या ही हूँ। फिर आते क्यों यहाँ करने आँखों में हो बारिश, अब आए तो ठहर जाओ ना, और पूछो ना जरा मेरे दिल के बारे में भी, बस इतने में संभल जाओ हाँ। एक दिन कभी कोई जब भी पढ़े कहानी तेरी, लगता मुझे मेरे नाम का जिक्र कहीं भी होगा नहीं मैं यही मेरी ये आँखों में तो देखो देखो ये दिल का हाल क्या होठों से होता ना बना, मेरी ये आँखों में तो देखो कैसा नसीब है मेरा, मिलके भी ना मुझे मिला, मेरी ये आँखों में तो देखो तेरी अधूरी सी वफा, मांगू मैं मांगू और ना, मेरी ये आँखों में Okay. Hey, now don't confuse me again. This one is gonna be my last song. This one is a song called Barishin. And I want you guys to be as loud as possible. Let's sing this one, you know, and be as loud as possible, and let everybody hear you. Let's do this. सांसों में मुझको आहों में भर लो ना तुम, जरा मेरे पास आओ, अब बैठे हैं हम भी यहाँ, दिल के दरमियाँ बारिशें तेरी बातों पे मैं सजा ली है दुनिया यहाँ, दिल के दरमियाँ बारिशें अब तू आती है बुलाती है, बिस्तर से यूं गिराती है कि सो मैं बाहों में बस तेरी हाँ। जब बारिशें बरसती है पागल जैसे थिरकती है, तुम जैसी हो बस वैसी ही रहो। Nothing is tough for me, man. Okay, are you guys ready to sing this with me? Are you sure? Let's see how it goes. अब तेरे बिना यहाँ मेरी सांसें जैसे बिना नदियाँ गिराते हैं तो, और तू ही मेरे दिल की रज़ा है, तेरे बिना दिल भी खफा है तो। Let's do it once again. अब तेरे बिना यहाँ मेरी सांसें जैसे बिना नदियाँ गिराते हैं तो, और तू ही मेरे दिल की रज़ा है, ना फैले अब कभी भी तुझे इतना प्यार दूं। तेरी खुशियों की खातिर ये दुनिया में मेरी एक पल में वार दूं।